My name is Comrade Emeka Emerole. Today we are talking about unions, trade unions in Nigeria, even anywhere in the world. In trade union, listen, there is no opposition. In trade union, there is no opposition. You know, in politics, they said opposition will be giving you pressure. They bring opposition to the government that so that the government in power, they will be doing things, criticizing the government, making sure they work. That is a government. In union, trade union, there is no opposition. When election is done, when leadership emerge, everybody fall in line. Everybody fall in line. There is no opposition. No, everybody is one voice. You know, in government, there is political parties. They say these are opposing party. These political parties in power now. The other political party is, opposition party. They will be giving the government pressure on what to do. So if they don't do it well, checkmating them, doing this, criticizing them. That is in government. That is in politics. In trade union, there is no opposition party. There is no opposition party in trade union. Once there is leadership, every member, everybody fall in line and have one voice to fight for the welfare of the members of that union. There is no opposition party in that. In the trade union, there is no opposition party. You people won, we didn't win, then we are the opposition. If we say we are going for strike, the opposition say no, there's no need for strike. It doesn't work like that in trade union. No, it's not. Once there is leadership, this is the leader. These are the leaders that will lead the trade union. Every other person fall in line. Every other person follows. Every other person joins. Every other person, everybody comes together and say, yes, this is our union. No opposition. No opposing voice. No, everybody. If there will be criticism, it will be in-house, inside. You don't take it outside. The union members, everybody comes together to have one voice. One voice. One voice. So that the union will get the welfare of members. So are you a union member? Yes, you contested for election, you didn't win. You contested, you didn't get it. Relax, there's another time. You don't need to be an opposing voice. You don't need to be an opposition party in the same union. It doesn't make sense. Union is created for you to push, for the union to have one voice to get dividends of their industry to their people, to make the welfare of their people visible to them all. Union leaders, know it today. There is no opposition in your union. You don't have any opposition. You don't have opposing party that you say, we are the one in power now. We won everything. We got it. No, there's nothing like that. Once you emerge as a leader, you bring everybody together and you push in one voice. You come together and push in one voice. Demand in one voice. Everything you do becomes one. You don't have those that lose. We won and they lose. No, it doesn't work that way. Once you emerge, It becomes one. There is no opposition. There is no antagonizing group or team somewhere that will be criticizing. No, criticism is allowed. Constructive criticism is allowed in every leadership, but in unionism is done in-house. You don't come outside. It's done in-house. Check. It's done in-house. So there is no opposition in trade union. No opposition. Everybody fall in line. After that tenor, you contest again, you push, you try, you win, fine. When you win, everybody come and become one. That is the way it's been done. So guys, there's no opposition, there's no opposing power, there's no political power in union, there's no political party in union. No, everybody is one. And when you become one, you get things done. When YouTube and other social medias, subscribe, follow us, share, like, comment. We want to hear from you. I remain my humble self, Comrade Emeka Emerole.